Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing another Daily Dash. I got all the boxes. It's Monday. I always do all the orders on Monday where I have to freaking mail a bunch of crap. Oh, it's so blurry. And yeah, so Monday is always like the hardest day for me because we get a bunch of orders on the weekend, so I gotta pack all of those and then go mail them out, which usually takes like an hour or so. But you see there's a custom box back there, so whenever people order the 4-pack, so we do have a special deal for the 4-packs. They're like 75 or 25% off, plus you can use your discount codes and stuff to get them even cheaper. So yeah, if you guys want to check out the 4-packs, the link is in my bio, or in the description, so go check out offaxisacrobatics.com. Anyway, so today we are driving to the post office, then gonna head to the gym real quick, and I gotta talk about I don't have to talk about it, but like, I wanna talk about something that I feel like no one knows, but I discovered it a while ago. And that, because yesterday's topic was someone ordered food, they put in their wrong address apartment, like the wrong apartment number, and then asked me to go back and get it for them because they were an amputee and they couldn't go get it. In which I did go get it because he's an amputee and he served our country, and that's the right thing to do. But most of the time, if it's a normal person and you type in the wrong address, I ain't doing that. It's not gonna happen. But what I have discovered, and I actually discovered this a little over a year ago, you can negotiate with DoorDash. So if they send you to the wrong place, of course DoorDash wants you to go to the other place, and so does the customer. They want you to go to the other place. They don't want you to have their food and yada yada. You can negotiate a better price. So, for example, on at least three different occasions, I went to deliver food and it was like to someone's work, but they actually were at home and they wanted the food to go there, obviously. And normally, I don't think I've ever had one where it was like super close. I was like, yeah, no big deal, I'll drive across the street. It's almost always like 5 miles away. So what I've done is I've told DoorDash, like, hey, if you give me an extra $5, I'll go deliver this food. But otherwise, I didn't agree to drive to this price, and yada yada, when you agree to a delivery, you agree for a certain mileage for a certain price, and that's it, Anything after that, you didn't agree to that, so you can negotiate higher prices. And I believe one time I told him, I was like, yeah, you're gonna have to give me at least $10 to drive all the way over there because it's like 5 miles away. And I always consider everything $2 a mile. And I believe every single time they were like, okay, no problem, we'll give you the extra $10. I think they tried to negotiate back with me one time because I was like, it was the end of my dash, and I was like, I don't really want to do it. You're going to have to give me like $10 more, and it was like 3 extra miles or something like that. And they're like, we can give you 7. And I was like, okay, let's go. I'm down. So I don't know if you guys know that, but you can negotiate prices whenever like orders get screwed up or if they go to the wrong place, if you want to deliver that order still and be a good person. Or if you don't want to, you just get free food. So that's not on you that the customer ordered it to the wrong place. That's on them. And that's why I always double check everything whenever I'm like ordering something on DoorDash. I always double check to make sure that the right address is in and everything, because a lot of people, especially when you're ordering from DoorDash to multiple places like work and home and your cousin's house and I don't know, random places, you probably forget to type in the address correctly. Probably happens every once in a while. But anyway, so I just wanted to let you guys know that you can negotiate prices. So cheat code of the day, next time you get an order that's delivering to the wrong place or something like that, see what money you can get. Let me know in the comments down below. Comment down below and tell me if you guys have ever done this and how much you charged and how much DoorDash ended up giving you. Anyways, alright, also, real quick, if you guys haven't yet, just please smash the like button. That's all I ask of you guys. Just smash the like button real quick for me. Give me that nice thumbs up and help my channel be seen by more people. And also subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. We talk about lots of different entrepreneur stuff, business, money tips, DoorDash, fitness, UFC. I don't know, I just talk about whatever I want. And basically, I try to show you guys my 4-hour work week, where I basically am running 3 to 4 businesses at one time. Like I'm doing all the stuff that I possibly can while doing this drive. I'm making money on DoorDash. Just got an order. Speaking of DoorDash, let's see. $6. Oh, Oh, it's good. It's good. Okay, $6. Literally, I was about to turn left right here and go drop off the shoe order, but I'm gonna drive back 1 block, just drive back 1 block real quick, go and pick up this order, and then it delivers literally right next to the gym. I wouldn't be surprised if that is to the gym. To Krista. It's the same parking lot as the gym, I think. Yeah, it says I work in the office. So it's across the street from the gym. Anyway, so super convenient. That's the only time that I'm gonna take $6 orders, is if they're so damn convenient that, I don't know, super convenient. But anyways, I guess we're gonna do this DoorDash order, then go to the gym because it drops off, and then we'll go mail these shoes out. So, excuse me, burping up pre-workout. Be right back. Got the order, and look at this. I don't know if you can read that. It says I'm not supposed to deliver. Well, it says deliver by 1:52. It's only 1:20, and it's only like a 2-minute drive. And it's kind of funny because the store was about 5 minutes late on the order, so it's like, why would I need 30 minutes to drive 5 minutes? So I guess we're gonna be delivering this one about 30 minutes before the customer expects to get their food. So that's good. Maybe they'll, no, they're not gonna give me a tip. I'm sure they won't. If it's a $6 order, they're definitely not giving me a post tip. That's for sure. Unless they got cash. Fishing for cash. All right, so while we drive over to this order, which is perfectly conveniently right next to the freaking gym, I love it when these orders come out as perfect as possible like that. I'm gonna show you guys real quick the, actually I'll just insert a photo. So this is what our shoes look like when I'm first designing them. So I'll put up the photo like somewhere right here. Basically we're designing low tops and mid tops right now, maybe high tops, probably not like actual high tops, they're more like mid tops. Skate shoes / casual wear shoes. Basically, I need, for one, I need shoes to like ride scooters in and stuff, and there's, now that Supra has gone out of business, there's a big hole in the market for new skate shoes, I think, because basically there's only Vans, and then there's like a couple companies that are still like dangling on, but I personally, when I see brands only marketing to skateboarding, I think that's a huge mistake, you know, especially because shoes can be worn for so many different things. But anyway, so that's what the shoes look like when I first designed them, and then hopefully we'll have a prototype in probably like a month or so. I still got to make some changes. I want to make more off-axis logo cuts. So if you look at the off-axis logo, it's got all these hard 90-degree angle cuts in it, and I like to kind of design the shoes to look like that, so it's like, I don't know, it's just kind of the thing that we do. If you looked at the Ninjas is basically, well, that's our new shoe that we have right now. The Ninjas are basically like cuts of the off-axis logo in like all the different materials and stuff. So I like to kind of do stuff like that. I don't want to put like a big fat logo on the side of the shoe or anything like Vans does. Personally, I don't like that logo, and I think it's just a little weird that every single Vans shoe has this like check on it. I don't know. I personally don't like it, but Vans obviously knows what they're doing. I don't know. I think I could design better shoes than them. But anyway, so just want to kind of, for anyone who's interested in like how the whole shoe design process works, maybe you guys want to own your own shoe company. I would, if I could go back, I don't know. I think it's going to be worth it, but it is so much damn work to run a shoe company, and it is so dang expensive to freaking run a shoe company. Like, to start making shoes, you got to have a minimum of 20 grand, and that's only for like one color and not enough sizes for sure. So anyways, just wanted to give you guys a little update on the new shoes, because I did say it like 5 days ago that I was going to start designing some skate shoes, some like low tops. We need some more casual wear kind of shoes. But anyways, all right, pulling up to the customer's place. Let's go. All right, just dropped off the order. $6, basically made $6 to go to the gym. I'm going to log out now because I want to get a good workout in. Well, I'll be honest, it's not going to be a very good workout because my back is currently still hurt, and it's going to be more like a recovery workout. So I basically do some like low back exercises, yada yada, do some decompression stuff, help stretch out the vertebrae, and make my back feel better. Yeah, so that being said, we are actually literally about to pull into the gym parking lot because we just drove. Oh, let me put on my seatbelt for 0.2 miles real quick. Anyways, so that being said, we'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, smash that like button for me. And if you guys have not yet, go check out the link down below, offaxisacrobatics.com. That's my footwear company. Use discount code offaxistanner. And one last thing, my new podcast is also linked down below. So if you guys want to listen to the podcast, my co-host is Abby Walker, and we're shooting another podcast in about an hour. So yeah, we got more podcasts in the second channel. Getting started. I already had a podcast, but it was on this channel, but it was a long time ago. And we just started a new channel, or you guys can listen to the Off Axis podcast on Spotify and Apple Podcasts, and pretty much anywhere else that plays podcasts. It's all over the place. So, Off Axis Podcast. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.